everyone, welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can change the phone number length of the customer in the BotPenguin account. Let's say if the customer have a number more than like 12 characters or more than like 11 characters. So how to change that? So simply log into the BotPenguin account, open any flow, and you will need to add the phone number component in the chat flow. Once you click on the phone number component in the advanced section, you will get this option of apply phone number validation. So from here you can set the minimum length and the maximum length for the same. So let's say minimum length should be 7 and the maximum length should be 15. So from here I can add it and the green pop-up will come and it will automatically be updated. So this is how you can set the maximum length of the phone number, right? So this is how you can change the length of the phone number that your customer can have. So now if any customer have a length of 7 characters to 15 characters, the bot will be able to analyze that. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day.